Well, I'm feeling a little bit guilty, guys. I had promised you and Kit, right? Lots of trike rides this winter, and that hasn't actually happened. But we're going to go on one today, just for a little while. And this will be the first time in many, many weeks we've actually had the trike out, and we've got a new camera on this time. And it's been so long, I may have completely forgotten all the things that I learned about this, including, let's turn on the phone, just in case the wind kicks up. So it's definitely clearing out. I'll just show you over here. We had a couple of vans that had been parked back here for months. And the one I hardly ever saw it move. But they both pulled out today, and I think they're gone because they've cleaned everything up. So there's that. All right, so I don't love this horizon view. Let me mess around with this for a minute and see if I can do better.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbyes. Journey calls, let's roll the dice. Every mile a new surprise.
All right, well, we're going to get kind of a cockeyed view today, I think. Just because I can't figure out the controls to get this back on level horizon instead of rock steady. So the horizon is going to beat back and forth as we come on down here. Jim's camp is looking a little emptier. It's like he's been working on some cleanup. I think there's been a lot of that going around. People are getting ready to say goodbye. There's Rufus. That's his. Here, I'll get close to you, Rufus. How about that? And you still won't be able to reach me. How about that? Good job of barking, Ruf. We're going to just run down the road here a little bit. See what we can see. And as Jim just said, everybody, not everybody, but many people are indeed clearing out quite a bit. It's emptying out. Right, Kit? I need to tighten up both of these mirrors a bit, I think. But it does feel good to get out and be able to go for a ride. I'm hoping that I'm going to get a fair amount of use out of this summer and not just carry it around on the rack. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I am planning on kind of a slow-moving summer. So we'll see how much trouble I decide it is to take it off and on and all that stuff. And it's funny, some of my friends had still been in the LTVA, but it's like I watch their videos and then find out, like they left a couple of days ago and we didn't get a chance to get together. It's okay, that kind of stuff happens. The Quartzsite season is always very fluid. So one of the questions that I imagine you might be thinking is, well, if I hadn't ridden it very much, am I regretting the purchase? And the answer is a resounding no. I'm actually glad I made the purchase. I haven't gotten as much use out of it as I had hoped that I would. I just kept having things happen that were kind of like taking up my extra time. And so I wasn't able really to get out for rides, and part of that was trying to get videos out for you guys. My goal right now, and I say this on March 11th, is to try and get my backlog of videos caught up before I hit the road for summer travel season. And I know that's not going to be super easy for me to do, but I'm going to do the best that I can. How about that? All right, let's go down here. That's the water station. That is the first turn after the dumpsters. But I'm not seeing anybody I know here yet. Oops. My watch just asked me if I want to record an outdoor cycle, and yes, let's do that. Okay, so here's the water stations, and we got quite a few people in line for water. All right, I'm gonna pull up here, take a look at my phone for a minute, and then I'll be back with you. How about that? So I did check the air in the tires before I took off, and the front was, I think about 20, the front was about 22. And the rear that we changed the tube on, and I don't think I'd ridden it since, was only like 7 or 8. And the other rear was about 20, I think, 18 or 20. All right, well, I thought I saw the thing that I was looking for as a landmark, but I didn't. So I might have to pull over and actually check. I think I will. Okay, bear with me a minute. All right, we're turning around. So I guess they may not be setting up yet, although it's after 3 o'clock, so it seems like they should be. Sorry, I can't hear you.
I said, I love your bike. It's so cute.
Thank you. I'm very happy with it.
It's a I'm going to get one when I get settled and put a big grocery basket on the back.
Yeah. Well, that was a nice conversation.
You have arrived.
I have arrived. I don't think I've quite arrived. Come on. Well, I haven't really arrived. All right, let's try this one more time and see if I can figure it out. Okay, now I'm going to just kind of drive around aimlessly and see if I can kind of end up where I want to. Google is giving me some weird message though, so I gotta see what on earth is going on with my Google Maps now. Well, I might be going in the right direction. I got no idea. But if nothing else, I'm getting some exercise. So there's that. Right? Okay, so it's the other way. Is it that big white tent over there? Maybe? Okay, I think I found it finally.
Yeah, but we got another one.
Howdy.
How do you do, Wendy?
Good, how are you?
And I don't know, like, we get to go, because they're going to give us our own menu. Oh, really? And our group, but no one wants to get to go in. So, you're looking for like a group rate, like 20 people to go. We get,
You're good. You're fine. Stay right there.
and so they're going to give us our own venue room.
Oh, I could.
And we're going to have a cocktail hour, all that stuff. Yeah.
Howdy.
My friend Kate.
Hi, Kate.
This is Cassandra.
I'm Cassandra. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we've
I can do drum.
we've been traveling for a long time. She has that ProMaster over there next to mine. Hers is a nice one, brand new one.
Nice.
It's older than mine.
I just wanted to say hi. I don't know if I'm coming back for the party or not. I haven't decided yet.
Oh, you look like you're getting sunburnt, girl.
Of course I am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm doing good.
I'm not all that far away, so I might come back. Stop.
I forgot.
And he was being so
I
good.
forgot. I forgot about hugging you. I actually didn't see that.
But this is much better than it used to be.
Yeah, I remember.
You actually touched me.
Yeah.
And didn't get bit. So and I forgot. So there's that.
There's that.
He's made friends with a man.
That's good.
It cost 4 pounds of bacon, I think, but
That's funny.
but it's all good now.
Right?
Yeah, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Good to see you. You too. You look pretty. Thank you. Your hair looks nice too. I like it.
Who did it? Lynn.
Lynn did it? Let me see. Turn around. Oh, it looks pretty. I love French braids.
I do too.
I know how to do mine
Stop.
backwards. So it,
Oh yeah?
I can do my own hair too.
yeah, go on that.
Yeah.
Took me
Yeah,
a
I
couple
can't do that.
It's too short.
minutes. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm like, why can't? Oh wait.
You got to have hair to do that, you know? Yeah, that's a
Well,
thing.
yeah, I hope we get a good crowd tonight. I think we will.
I bet you will. We might. I've got a friend that's camped near me. I might see if he wants to drive down later.
Yeah, do it.
So we'll see.
Yeah, come down and say hey.
Yeah, where's Dan? I thought I saw him.
He's over there by Dubs.
All right, I'm gonna say hi to him and wish him a happy birthday just in case.
Is there somebody in there with Dubs or is it just Dubs?
I haven't seen Dubs all season.
Oh yeah, go say hi.
Yeah, definitely.
Hello.
Howdy.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Happy birthday, boy. Stay right there. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. You gonna be here for the party?
I'm going to try to. I got a friend that's camped near me, and he's got a car, so I'm going to see if he wants to drive down.
You know C-Dubs.
Yeah, and I haven't seen you all season long.
Hello. Hey, Sally.
How are you?
And this is Carol, also hike with me.
Oh, yeah, we've met.
Okay.
Yeah, we actually were like next to each other at your
Party.
party at Christmas time, yeah.
Okay, right. Good
So,
deal.
So, yeah.
I tried to come find one of your meetups. But
Yeah,
couldn't
you had a
find-
meetup at Roadrunner. We got there at 2:30. I think it ended at 3.
Yeah, but
Couldn't find you.
we had people that actually stayed, we had a couple people that stayed all night,
Oh, okay.
which was fine. Next time.
Okay. We drove through there and looked all around. Couldn't find you.
Yeah, we had a pretty good turnout, good group of people, a bunch of new people I'd never even met before, so that was kind of fun.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so that was cool. And I'm gonna start traveling probably in a couple of weeks, and then I'm gonna do like mini meetups along the way this year.
All right. What part of the country are you gonna travel?
I'm doing Route 66 east to St. Louis,
Okay.
and then I'm picking up the Lewis and Clark Trail northwest up into Washington.
Okay, well, I'm going to try to. They're heading to Washington. The band is.
Oh, yeah?
Or Mike and Cass at least.
Cool.
In June or July, so I'm going to probably try to catch up with them.
All right, well, let's make sure we stay in touch because I have a feeling we'll end up crossing paths.
Yeah, probably.
He's doing so well, I don't want him to ramp up and stop doing well. Because, you know, this is big improvements, actually.
Good.
Cass actually got to give me a hug and then he growled.
Oh.
But even a year ago, he was just going to bite before anybody could touch me, so.
Right.
So it's a big improvement. We're working on it.
Good deal.
All right, if I don't see you, happy birthday, but I'm pretty sure we'll be back.
Great.
Cool.
Good deal.
Have a good one.
Good night.
Why am I not moving?
I don't know. Why aren't you moving?
I don't know. I don't know, that was weird. Now I'm moving. You having fun, Mr. Kit? Well, I don't know how interesting you'll find this, but I've certainly had fun. And I hope you have too. I'm going to stop by and see Jim again on my way back. I am very happy to see it clearing out so much. Some would say the stabilization is really good. From the perspective of being stable, but I don't love having the horizon at such a tilt. Let me know what you think. And of course, you're getting a view of my phone recording the camera, so that's always interesting. Okay, we're going to head back to our camp and we're going to try the goggles out because I forgot to get them out. So we're going to give that a go and see how it does. See how Mr. Kitster feels about the goggles. See how long it takes him to pull them off and drop them on the ground someplace. Let's come on around. Just like this. All right, we'll be right back. Is that going to work? Let's give it a go. We're going to ride back down to Jim's and see what he thinks of this. Hey, Jim, check it out.
Get over here. Isn't he cool?
Isn't he? And he doesn't seem to mind.
No.
He hated it the first time I put him on, but that seems to be okay. And he looks pretty cool.
Yep. What's the guy's name? Dan?
The Dan Van on YouTube.
And he doesn't care at all.
Nope. I think it's a good call. Huh, Kit? Don't do it. Feet in. Thank you. Thank you. All right, jiggity jiggity, home again.
Airplanes or something?
Right.
So go the second one first.
Oh, yeah.